How to fix Instagram song currently unavailable. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix Instagram songs currently unavailable, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to fix Instagram songs currently unavailable, all you have to do is go ahead and then let's say whenever you're trying to add a song to your Instagram story, it simply says that the songs are unavailable. So let me just choose a random photo or video here. Once I select a random photo or video, I just tap the sticker icon and then I tap on music. When I tap on music, let's say you're searching for a specific music of some type of artist and it says music not found. What does it mean? Well, the very first thing it means is that it simply means Instagram does not have that music and they don't have the right to make you give that music so that you can put it on your Instagram story. You have to understand that Instagram is not a myriad, a library or a music library over here. So that is why it's just a social media application that has taken license to some rights and songs, and that is why they can give you those songs. If they don't have the license to a particular song or artist, they will not be able to give that song to you for you to browse on Instagram story. So this is the one thing you have to understand. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.